Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Linda, and today I'm going to read you a story about the sound of spring. The name of the book is The Sound of Spring, and it's written by David Lehman. So let's begin the story. This is about trolls. Do you know what trolls are? Look closely at this picture. Trolls are little characters that have long hair on their heads. It is a warm spring night in Troll Village. All the trolls are sleeping except one. His name is Branch. See Branch? He's blue. He's got long hair on his head. Branch is wide awake. He hears something. What's that sound? What could that sound be? It sounds like chirping. There is a bird in the house. Branch looks around. No bird. In the morning, Branch still hears the chirping. He checks the village. He cannot find what is making that sound. Well, let's see if somebody can help him. The chirping is driving him crazy. Branch asks Cloud Guy if he hears the sound. This is Cloud Guy here. Cloud Guy listens. He hears the chirping sound too. He looks at Branch and he says, he asks him if he's making the sound. Branch says no. Cloud Guy says, Branch must be chirping. Branch says, I'm not chirping. Branch thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him. Branch gets angry. He chases Cloud Guy through the woods. You see, Cloud Guy is running away into the woods. Now, here comes another little friend named Poppy. See her red hair? Poppy sees her friends. She asks them, what's wrong? Branch tells them. Poppy hears chirping. Poppy listens closely. She knows where the sound is coming from. Wow, what that means is she's able to solve the mystery. Poppy reaches into Branch's hair and pulls out an egg. See that? Poppy pulled out an egg out of Branch's hair. That is where the chirping is coming from. A bird must have laid an egg in Branch's hair. Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. A bird comes out of the egg. It sings a song. Poppy and Branch sing too. See the bird? They hatched and it's singing a song. And so they're all happy and they're singing too. Just then, the little bird's mother hears the baby singing. She comes right away. They fly off together. Everyone waves goodbye. Branch misses the birds chirping. A little, anyway, but not much. I think he is glad he doesn't have an egg nesting in his hair anymore. What do you think, boys and girls? Well, that's the end of this troll story. Until next time, story time will come again. Bye now.